Welcome to the Mantis 58V Cordless Tiller Cultivator 3558 assembly and operating video. Carefully remove all items from the carton. Your tiller comes with all the necessary hardware to assemble your tiller. You don't need any tools. First, slide a cable clip onto the middle handlebar. Secure the middle handlebar to the lower handle using the first set of bolts, plastic washers, and knobs. Tighten the knobs on each side. Slide the second cable clip onto the upper handlebar. Secure the upper handlebar to the middle handlebar using the second set of bolts, plastic washers, and knobs. Tighten the knobs on each side. Snap the cable into each of the cable clips. The battery pack supplied with your cordless tiller cultivator is only partially charged. Allow at least 2 hours of charge time before initial use of the tiller cultivator. The battery pack is equipped with a push button to check the charge level. Simply press the push button to read the battery charge level. If all 4 LEDs are lit, the battery is fully charged and ready for use. If 2 to 3 LEDs are lit, the battery has an intermediate remaining charge. If 1 LED is blinking, the battery is empty. Recharge the battery immediately. Otherwise, the battery's service life will be greatly shortened. To install the battery, open the battery cover. Install the battery into the mounts and push it forward until you hear it engage. Close the battery cover and make sure it latches securely. To remove the battery, press the orange release button. The wheels can be adjusted to 3 positions. To change the wheel position, rest the tiller on the motor housing. Grasp the wheel assembly by the axle and pull toward you. Move the assembly up or down as needed and allow the pins on the assembly to slot into one of the preset positions. The lowest setting is the transport position. The second setting is for shallow soil penetration. The upper setting is for deeper soil penetration. Always ensure the wheels are securely locked. To start the tiller cultivator, press the lock-off button. Squeeze the on-off lever and release the lock-off button. Release the on-off lever to stop the tiller cultivator. The tiller cultivator features a 2-speed switch. The speed switch should only be engaged when the tiller cultivator is turned off and in a stationary position. By loosening the knobs, your tiller cultivator can be stored or transported with the handles folded down. Now your Mantis tiller cultivator is fully assembled and ready for use.